so now the first grammar, it is the present and real conditional, okay? So we are going to see the, do you remember the other document?
Mhm.
Yes, we're gonna see that, okay? So give me a second. About conditional. So let's open it and we're going to see that. Present and real condition. Moving. Okay. So when we talk about present and real conditional, we're gonna talk about two grammars too. So in the other unit, we saw the future condition or the first condition. Now we are going to see the real conditional, present and real conditional. Okay, I will share you. And this is, okay, we have this. This grammar, present and real conditional, could have another name. The other name, it is the second condition, okay? So, in this conditional, we're gonna talk about imaginary situations, okay? Something that we maybe could imagine or maybe we want, but it is kind of impossible, okay? So in this case, we're gonna see these two grammars, simple past, and this is gonna be our if clause, okay? But if plus simple past, and in the result, we are going to have would, okay, and would plus verb in base form as a result clause, okay? So we can do some examples. Okay, we can start some exercises in this way, but in other exercises in conditionals, we can start with the result clause. If we start with the result clause, we're going to start with would, but we're not going to use a comma here, okay? Why? Because I have if, and if it is like a comma, okay?
Mhm.
So it's not necessary. And I will use if plus past simple, okay? No more. So always remember, right? When we use conditionals, we are not going to use was in this case because we are using past simple. We are not going to use was. For all the subjects, we are going to use only where, okay? Only where. So here we have one example. If I won the lottery, what is the result of this? If I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. So what does this sentence mean? It means that I probably won't win the lottery, right? Or maybe I could do it, but it is like something that could be it's impossible or maybe could be real, okay? But it is like in that way, something that it's more impossible than real, okay?
Mhm.
So in this case, you can see here the simple past, and you can see here would only with the verb in base form. Or maybe, for example, here, verb in past, it is in past, simple past, but in affirmative, and the would plus the verb, okay, in affirmative. We can start too with a would. She would travel all over the world if she were rich. In this case, you can see that I am not using was, I'm using were, right? So she would pass the exam if she ever studied. Okay, if I'm using this ever, I'm using like the emphasize. It is kind of never, right? That she never studies. Okay, so we're going to use only these two grammars in order to talk about impossible things, things that couldn't be true. Okay, no more. I don't know if you have some question about this grammar, Gabby.
No, it's clear.
Yes, it's easy, right? It's easy. Yes, and here, for example, you are going to find some exercises, okay, where you could do it. If you have some doubts, yes, you could do it, right? I sent you this document, right?
Yes, I
Yes,
have it.
perfect, perfect, Gabby. So now I will assign you, okay, let's go to the platform. I will assign you this second unit in order we can start with this first grammar. Okay. Okay, it is done. Perfect, any mistake. Now let's go to the second.
I don't think so. Mm. Mm. So, Jackie. Eh, Sorry, but I can't if I. Mm. Mm. I'm exhausted. Mm.
Perfect. Any mistake? I don't know if you were having some doubts about something of this.
No, just in this case, but then I realized.
Ah, okay. This the auxiliary, right? In past.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes, that part never has to forget. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Simple present do does and past simple did. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that is the only thing. Well, okay. It's perfect. The next grammar that we have, give me a second. It is the past perfect continuous and should have. These two grammars has like something in common. So these two grammars we're gonna finish tomorrow, okay? With the
Okay. Mm-hmm.
because in order not to have like a space. Um,
Okay.
yes, yes. Tomorrow we're gonna have the class, okay? Because on
Mm-hmm.
Friday we're not gonna have classes.
Okay.
Okay, perfect, Gabby. So, well, now today we're gonna finish with this survey.
Okay. I had one question, but it's about the institute. I don't know if I can ask you.
Yes, tell me.
Okay. I saw like I don't know, maybe 6 months ago, a
Mhm.
picture in the Facebook page that the institute can register me to the TOEFL to take the TOEFL test,
Mhm.
and I have to pay, and the institute like give me some advices and something like that. But I don't know if it's available uh, now.
Yes, for example, for TOEFL test, you're gonna
Mm-hmm,
finish this, right? For example, we're
mm-hmm,
in model C of this 4 book. And
mm-hmm,
after this, we're gonna start with the other model that it
mm-hmm.
is all about TOEFL. Yes, so for example, we're gonna talk more or we're gonna do more
Mhm.
about like pre-test of TOEFL test. So
Okay.
after that module, you are gonna go to the group classes. Okay, so in those
Mhm.
group classes, you are gonna have classes like different skills. For example, you're
Mhm.
gonna start 1 week with grammar, and this in this case, you are gonna see some like the advices, recommendations, and for
Mhm.
example, like simulacros, right? About some tests of TOEFL. So
Mhm.
yes, it includes this.
Okay, but the register and everything, it's I have to do it, right?
No, because as you are having these classes,
Uh-huh.
you are like already registered in that.
No, no, no. I mean in the TOEFL, the official test, not
Yeah.
the courses.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, you have to register in this.
Okay. Uh, well, I think I have a problem.
Why?
Mm,
What happened?
okay, I'm taking this class because I want, of course, my the highest score in TOEFL test, but I need my results in February. So I don't think I can. Of course, I'm going to end the course, but
Yeah.
my test should be done in maybe half of January.
Mm, okay, okay, okay. Let me ask.
Oh,
Okay. Let me ask, and
please.
I will tell you. Okay,
Mhm,
tomorrow I will tell you.
mhm,
So if you, for example, have to have you have to take the test before,
mhm,
maybe we could have classes, okay, like 2 hours, okay, to cover that, and you can finish like earlier
mhm,
because it's like missing 8 mm, plus 2, like 12 more classes. Okay,
mhm,
so maybe we could cover those classes like in a accelerated way, for example, and you can cover that for your test. Okay, but let me ask. Okay, and tomorrow I will.
please.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Like I said, if I didn't have to take the test, because I know that the results or the score, it takes like 2 weeks, but I'm not sure. But
Oh, okay.
yes, I need for February my my score. So please,
Okay.
if you can
Okay.
ask.
Don't worry. So I will ask, and tomorrow I will tell you. Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Gabby. Okay, Gabby. So see you tomorrow, and tomorrow I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.